Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
The GMA jeans.
Okay. Are these V1 or 2?
V1.
Okay, nice. Now, that's very unique to have ports facing forward instead of backward. Okay.
Eventually there'll be a wall in here.
C or B pillar?
Don't know yet.
Might keep the back seats, or?
Yeah, I want to keep the back seats, but
Should probably be a C pillar. Who built the box?
one of JB's friends.
Okay. Nice. And you said you were getting like a 149 or 150, or? Okay. And what is the battery bank? Electrical work, alternator, amp?
Alternators are 450. I don't remember where I got it from. Somebody online. It's 450 excessive ampage. So a 45 amp power amp battery back there.
Okay.
It starts the car, so all good.
Okay. And then the sets of 8K?
What's that?
Sets of 8K? Okay. Is that at 1 ohm, you think? Or?
Yeah, it's at 1 ohm.
Okay.
I need I'm supposed to be getting my second one today, but my cousin didn't bring it.
Whoa, so you can have 1 per amp. Wow.
Yep.
Damn.
That's why I had all my other wiring.
Yeah, you have some work in progress. I say, if you do that wall,
Yeah, it's going to be a little...
are you going to have the same subs, or are you going to stay with 2 or 4?
same with 2.
Okay.
Yeah, it's too small to have 4 in there.
Yeah. Oh, my bad.
You're good.
Oh, mouse trap.
I had a mouse in here over the week.
Oh, wow.
As you can see.
Yeah. Wow. So you've got the port facing forward.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the way the box was built.
Yeah, got it. Yeah, man, I'll come in here. tell me your name real quick first?
Chris, two.
That one's punchy.
Yeah.
Wow. Awesome, man. I appreciate you showing me, dude.
No problem.
Thank you for the demo, man. Sounded pretty good, man.
Hopefully next time I'll have it cleaned out.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop